Welcome to the Center for Young Women's Health Cooking Terms video library. Cooking at home is often healthier than eating out because you can choose your own ingredients. It's often a lot cheaper too. But what if you have trouble following a recipe because you're not sure what the instructions mean? Learning how to cook takes practice, so we've created a glossary of terms plus short videos that explain specific cooking techniques to help you prepare your favorite meals and snacks. Even if you're a beginner cook, you'll learn basic skills to feel confident in the kitchen. Watch the videos below and visit the Center for Young Women's Health website at youngwomenshealth.org to find recipes and more information.